How to sign in to your TikTok Live Studio. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how you can easily sign in to your TikTok Live Studio. So first thing first, just head over to your TikTok Live Studio application and just tap on this login button to successfully begin your login process. Now, if you also have an TikTok app, then you can just head over to your profile section and just click on my QR code to actually scan it to just directly link your TikTok account over here. Now, if you don't have an account already, you can just tap on this your register email address and as your password. And once you do all of that, just click on login to successfully log into your account, just like that. And if you don't want to log in via your email address or username or phone, then what you want to do is just head over to the login on with the TikTok account, which will automatically take you to the browser, and you can easily log into your same TikTok account for which you need to be logged into your browser TikTok account. So I'll simply tap on open and simply click on continue and click on yes, and just wait for a few seconds until it redirects your links your TikTok account to the TikTok Live Studio as well. And just like that, you should be successfully signed into your TikTok Live Studio. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.